I'm putting $25 into the #1 ranked PU Prime copy trader, and in 24 hours, I'm going to show you exactly what it turned into.
This content is for educational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Always do your own research before investing.
Now, once you've logged into your homepage, what you want to do is go down and click on Discover. Now, when you're in Discover, it will come up with top traders, highest annual return. But as the intro said, we are going to be showing you the highest rating, highest ranking copy trader on PU Prime. And as you can see, #1 is this one here with a return of 272.6%. So what you want to do is click on copy. Now, once you've clicked on copy, you want to come over to this screen here. You've got copy mode where you have multiple different options. We're going to go with equivalent used margin. And then like the intro said, we're going to say $25. Now, as you can see, it says use balance $25, use margin 1. We'll keep that the same. We'll keep everything else the same. Take profit, loss roundup, copy, open trades. And then all we have to do is click on submit. So the minimum investment of this is actually $50. So we're going to go ahead and change that to $50. And then as we go down, click on submit, and then you will see that it's been submitted successfully. Now, obviously with this, everything does carry risk. So please only use the amount of balance that you are willing to lose. Past profits do not guarantee future results. And I'll see you in 24 hours with the results. Trading feels confusing and inconsistent. Maybe you just need a clearer direction. Let me introduce the Signaler.com, a signal service focused on delivering precise, well-structured trade ideas without unnecessary noise. Now, here's what you can expect. You get carefully prepared trade setups, exact entry, take profit and stop loss levels, straight to the point market insights, and signals built around discipline and risk control. No exaggeration, no overtrading, just calculated opportunities based on analysis. Even better, they provide a 7-day free trial so you can evaluate the signals yourself before even making any decisions. Stay focused, follow structure, and trade with a plan. Try thesignaler.com today, and let's continue with the video. Right now, we're back after 24 hours. And as you can see right next to me, that's exactly what 24 hours behind the #1 ranked copy trader on PU Prime actually looks like. Being at the top isn't luck, it's consistency over time. And that's why copying someone like this can work in your favor. But here's the bigger picture. You're not staring at charts all day and you're not making the decisions yourself. Your day, your business, even your life. That's the whole appeal of building income that doesn't actually depend on clocking in every hour. I'm going to keep testing traders in this series so you can see real results before you even put your money in. Comment which trader you want to test next. Follow so you can catch the next result, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.